My name is Lil Bird. How you guys doing? See, I crashed into that window right over there. And I broke my neck. So now I am dead. If you're watching this, I am already dead.
I can put it just right so that you can't see your hand on the tail.
If you are watching this, I am already dead.
See if it doesn't.
I leave my entire estate to Jess.
You really can't see your hand at all.
What hand?
Exactly.
Bird's talking.
Oh, yeah.
You're so sexy. So sexy. Why is my neck so wobbly? Poor Bird. He's just sitting there chilling. Look at him chill.
We're bad people.
Oh, go to hell. Oh, it's all sticky there. Shit. Now my ass. Oh, Jess, why didn't you warn me?
Oh, what'd you do? There's something on your ass.
No, it's sticky. There's gonna be. Feel my hand even.
Oh, it's right. What is it?
I don't know.
It's sticky and it's white.
A squirrel!
Where the fuck go? He's coming at us!
Ah, he's got a nut in his mouth. I dubbed that squirrel Jess.